Deep cleaning on Acer Predator Triton 300SE PT316-51S-727C laptop. Thank you, Sir Kurt, for trusting PT316 Solutions. Deep cleaning on Acer Predator Triton 300.316-51S-727C laptop was brought in for a professional deep cleaning service. This model is a powerful, slim gaming laptop with a high-performance Intel processor and dedicated NVIDIA graphics, making it essential to maintain proper cooling and airflow to prevent performance degradation and hardware issues. The deep cleaning process started with a careful disassembly of a laptop using anti-static tools and a systematic approach. The bottom cover was removed to access the internal components. The cooling system, which includes two precision-engineered fans and a dual heat pipe design, was thoroughly inspected. Over time, dust and debris had accumulated on the heat sink fins, inside the fans, and within the air vents, common issues that restrict airflow and lead to overheating using compressed air, soft brushes, and specialized cleaning tools. All internal surfaces were cleaned of dust, dirt, and particulates. Both fans were meticulously cleaned to restore their full rotational efficiency and ensure quiet, uninterrupted airflow. The air intake and exhaust ports were cleared of obstructions that could compromise thermal performance. Next, the old thermal paste on both the CPU and GPU was carefully removed and replaced with high-grade thermal compound. This step is crucial, especially for gaming laptops, as it ensures maximum heat transfer from the processors to the heat sinks, effectively lowering the system temperature during high workloads. The keyboard, touchpad, speaker grills, and all exterior ports, USB, HDMI Type-C audio jack, charging port, etc., were also cleaned using microfiber cloths and precision tools. These areas often collect dust and grime, which can affect usability and appearance. Once reassembled, the laptop underwent performance and temperature testing. The internal temperatures were significantly reduced, especially under load. The fan noise was also minimized, and the system became more responsive and stable. No internal hardware issues were found, and the clean process was deemed successful. Regular deep cleaning is highly recommended for high-performance laptops like the Acer Predator Triton 300SE to preserve long-term performance and prevent overheating, thermal throttling, or premature hardware failure. This service helps maintain the laptop's health, especially for users involved in gaming, content creation, or heavy multitasking. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.